Yo, what is going on everybody? Welcome to the first video ever that is going on JLC Visuals, and my name is Jamie, and basically the channel is just going to be a lot to do with photography, videography and just any work that I do. It's going to be tutorials, promos and hopefully a bit of behind the scenes, who knows. But I wanted to make a quick video just to start this channel off, just so you guys know what's going on and so we can just ease into a little bit. I will be posting a few videos from my old channel over here. If you don't know what that channel is, it will be linked down below and it will also be in the channel section on the main page. But it's called Jamie's Life Captured, and that is my vlog channel. Basically, if you head over there, you'll just see me doing wacky things most of the time. Most of the time it's probably a night out and it's probably just partying. A lot of the time. That is me, unfortunately. Now I don't want to make this video too long because it's literally just an intro to the channel, and I know people get bored very easily when people are just talking, so I'm going to try and keep it short. So yeah, tutorials, promos, reviews, me, I don't really know what else. It'll just basically anything to do with videos and photography, including like the equipment and laptops and computers. Obviously I've got a Mac behind me, this is just a 2013 Mac, I'm not going to review this, people know what Macs are like. But other than that, I've got a laptop that I use, which I will end up reviewing. I've got lighting sets, I've got mics, I've got all sorts that I'm just going to review for you guys. I'm going to talk to you guys about how I started doing photography. I'm going to talk to you about why I wanted to do videography, and I'm going to talk to you about, obviously, like I said a minute ago, the equipment I use and the fact that you don't have to start on some massive amount of equipment just to get yourself going, because I started on very little, but that's for another video. I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to leave it there because you guys already know what's happening. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and keep an eye out for the next video. I'm going to try to upload every single Monday at 6 PM or 7 PM. I'm not too sure on the time just yet, but it'll be every Monday hopefully, and hopefully I can keep going that way because I have to try and keep some sort of video idea going on, whether it be just re-uploading some of my videos from this channel, from my old channel should I say, or whether it be a new one. So I'm going to try and do that every single Monday, 6 PM, 7 PM. Just keep an eye on the channel, subscribe just to keep an eye on it, and also hit that little bell notification button just so you can see when a video does go up and goes live, and you'll get a little notification. Look at that, it's fabulous. It tells you when I even upload a video. I talk really fast, so I need to try and keep the tempo down a little bit. But yeah, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, drop a comment if you have anything you want me to review or anything you want me to try and teach you guys, because there is a lot I do know, there is obviously still a lot I don't, and that's the thing with photography and videography. It's always a big world where you're just continuously learning, so even if I don't know it, I'll go around and try to figure out what it is myself to then try and teach you guys as best as I can. If I do know it, then I'll just teach you anyway. But yeah, thank you for watching guys, and hopefully we shall see you all next Monday. Peace.